Well, today, my folks, it's Monday, December 31st, the last day of 2018, and I want to take this time to wish you all a happy new year and all the best, and hopefully things are better in 2019. Right now, it is 7 degrees out Fahrenheit. And with this wind, it's a wind chill about 26 below with the wind chill. And as you can see, I'm still buried. It took everything I had yesterday to get this tire up to the house, off the truck and up to the house. Sitting right there. I have to go to my stash of tire chains on that rack over there by the pigs and find out which chain it was that was for that half-ton truck, because I've also got my tire chains there for my 5-ton dump truck, which has that highway plow in the backyard, which is not here right now. It's up at a shop about 10 miles here. It's been up there for about 2 years. So we had a running problem with it, and I just told the guy to take his time, and I didn't need the truck. Well, I could really use it right now, and he still hasn't finished it. It wouldn't run at all. It needed a new carburetor, and it took me over a year to find a new carburetor for it, because they didn't have any cores for that F650. And I asked him to change some exhaust pipes, and 2 little short exhaust pipes that go from the wide pipe to the muffler, and last I checked, he still hadn't done it yet. So I got to find out today which chain of those is the one for that half-ton and fix it. I think it's the one furthest to the right there. I can see cross links hanging there. So hopefully I can get that chain welded up today and on that tire and air that tire up. I like to put the chain on and then air the tires up. This is the last of my 1-ton tote bag that I get 1 ton of corn in, chopped corn in all the time. I got to keep this bag tied up because every time that white heifer breaks loose, no matter how good I wrap this top of this bag and put stuff on top of it, he finds a way into it and goes to town. There's not much left in here. Oh! Hope there's still some feed in there. Yeah, some in the bottom. Pull it all up in this pile. You know, I swear to God, I'm gonna have a stroke. You know, as soon as I start doing anything strenuous, I break out in a hot sweat and chest pains, and you know, bad enough I have bad back pain and leg pain. Never mind the chest pains now. But the worst part is having to go in and take my clothes off and dry myself off because I'm so wet. Just from doing this even. So we're just gonna take 1 can like that for the pigs, and we'll come back and give the pigs some more after. Because I know as soon as I dump this for the calves, pigs are gonna go nuts. Hi guys. Hey, are you hungry? Whew. Well, I gave you guys 5 gallons of water, and you drank it all already. Come on, you guys. No, not you. Let's see, I'm going to give that to the pigs. Come on, get out of there. Come on. They just can't wait to get their corn. Sorry guys, the camera's bouncing, but this is the way it's gotta be. Oh. There. They're all in there eating their corn now. And these pigs have got their one coffee can. I gotta go back and get 2 more coffee cans. Whew, man. And it was last as, hi Bessie, how you doing? Where's everybody else? Hey, you're over there digging straw out of the ground, or what are you doing? Must be, that's where their bedding used to be, with straw, before the snow came. Now, their bedding's around their hay bale. Oh, I just wanted to show you here. You can see this guy here, he's been castrated. See the bag house drying up nice? I banded him, and I banded this guy right here. You can see how it's drying up, just about ready to fall off. They've been banded now for about 2 weeks. I still have to band this guy. He's not done yet because he's just a little bit too young yet, and that one's too young yet. But these two I did about 2 weeks ago, and you can see it's all nicely drying up, ready to fall off. I don't believe in cutting. It sets them back too far. And banding is totally painless. When I put the band on, they don't even feel it. They don't even flinch. Nothing. Mr. Goose, you want some corn too? I see you're helping yourself. There you go. A couple more coffee cans for the pigs. Yeah, I think I started to say when I was in to see the doctor there a couple of weeks ago to get my narcotics refilled. I was telling him about this sweating and these chest pains and stuff. And he said, oh, that's a side effect from your painkillers. Well, I've been taking them for over 30 years and I never had this problem. So I don't know. Got more corn. Yeah, I feed them cracked corn in the wintertime. I don't bother with the hog grower. I need something hotter for them in the wintertime to keep them warm. Hey Bessie, hey? What you doing? Hey? Clean this out today too. Give them some drier straw. Problem is you can't clean it out too much because most of it's frozen in there, and I can just clean off the top layer that's loose because it's frozen ice. And yeah. Get some for that. One scoop for the cows today to keep them happy. We're running low and I don't know when I can get out of here. Yeah, there's probably 100 pounds in there yet. As long as that heifer doesn't get out. And I'll be fine. Oops. Hey, Mr. Goose. Yeah. I have to dig out some more sawmill slabs out of there and throw them up on the deck. I've been cutting them up with the skill saw because my brand new power saw, well, it's not really brand new, but has less than 2 hours on it, and it's like 6 years old. The damn thing blew up. You know, I've had Husqvarna saws all my life and never had a problem. I could throw them in the snowbank and leave them there for a month, pull them out and go to work, put them to work. But this new Rancher 460 I bought about 5 years ago, I just basically cut a few slabs. I cut a few, well, I don't know, maybe 20 bundles of winter to heat the house, since the house was flooded and I don't use oil anymore because it just cost like $5,000 a winter. So I had to cut them up with a skill saw because I don't have a power saw anymore. I used to cut right through the whole pile with the power saw and then just take off as I needed it. Camera, better tighten up this mount a little bit. The camera phone's flopping around like a cow's tail. You're sitting there eating your corn, are you? I think one of the people that bring the animals food scraps named the goose, what the hell did they name him? Geez, I can't think of it at the moment. They come here and they love that goose and they love to feed the pigs and the calves. They bring bags and bags of scrap food, and they brought a few truckloads, full truckloads of pumpkins after Halloween. This is going to be hard to plow once I get done because, like I said, when it snowed in that big storm, this snow was really wet and heavy to shovel the steps off. It almost killed me. And then it turned to next day went to 25 below, and it's been cold ever since. I think it warmed up to like, what did I see it at yesterday? 17, 18, something like that. And last night it was down to like 3 Fahrenheit. Yeah, and then it's like around 7 now, and with the wind chill, they say it says it's around 26, 27 below. But no, this is going to be hard to plow. It's going to be pick at it this way, pick at it that way, go left, go right, boom, 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 and until I get a trail cut out, then I can start slowly winging it over. But that's going to take probably 30, 40 gallons of gas. Okay, everybody, that's it for today, I think. I got to get some slabs cut up here because I got nothing left to burn in the house, just what's in the stove right now. And I'll take that down to the chickens and turkeys later. And I got to take that chain over there, and I got to go in that tent garage there. And I got a bench in there, and there's a wood furnace in there, but I don't have enough wood to make a fire in there. That's all the wood I got. And I gotta save it because if it takes me a couple of weeks to get out of here yet, well then I'm in trouble for firewood. And I got a big bale of straw right there. I can burn that, I guess, worst come to worst. Okay, everybody have a happy new year, and don't drink and drive, don't toke and drive, even though that's legal in Ontario to smoke marijuana now. I've had medical marijuana for my pain for several years now, and just to help sleep, that's it. And my mother's had it now too for her hips, but she takes it in a, I think it's in a, sort of like a paste or cream form that she gets it in. So anyway, have a happy New Year, everybody, and make sure you have a designated driver. Myself, I'll just be staying home with my animals and my Emma, and it's just another day to me. So take care, everybody, and again, if you can help support to feed these guys, to help feed families in need, by all means, please use the PayPal link below, or check out my GoFundMe to help me get a new small little cabin built here, since this place is basically unlivable. Like, it's only 40 degrees in there right now because it's so drafty since the flood, and the walls got pushed apart and the floor is falling in. All the links are below, and I thank you all much for sticking with me this past year. You're all great. Thank you.